Hey guys, it's your girl Mandy here from Louie and Bougie. I hope you're all doing well. I wanted to pop on here and do another exciting unboxing video for you guys today. I've tried filming this a bunch of times. Hopefully it stays with me and we're good and there's no freezing, but I apologize in advance if there's like small freezing or like lag with the computer. I've tried everything I could, so hopefully it's going to be well behaved for me. But today I have another exciting unboxing video for you guys today. As I said in my last video, I have a bunch of exciting stuff coming up, so this will be one of the exciting items I get to show you guys. And it is from Prada, as you can tell by the title, and I don't own any Prada products other than my perfume that I use that I love, and a pair of shoes that my friend's mom actually gave to me. So you know, that's all I have from Prada, but today I will be adding a new piece that I am super excited about and was also very hard to get. So I will talk to you guys and touch on that more with you in a second. And in the spirit of this video, I thought it was only appropriate to wear an early 2000s throwback outfit. So I'm currently rocking a Juicy Couture tracksuit for this video because it will go perfectly with the purchase I'm about to show you guys. It is known as the Re-Edition 2000 bag, and it's the mini bag in the nylon with the fabric handle. So I'm super excited to be showing you guys this bag. Again, it was super hard to get. You know, they did check multiple stores in the US trying to transfer the bag to be able to get it to me, but they weren't actually able to. So they ended up getting this bag directly from the warehouse in Italy, which is crazy. So this bag that I'm about to show you guys right now has literally never been touched other than by the warehouse workers in Italy, which is really crazy. So literally shipped directly from Italy to my door. So that is really cool that that happened. And I'm very grateful and thankful that I have this piece in my collection. So if you're interested, then stay tuned. So what you'll get in your purchase is you will get a little envelope like so, which will contain your authenticity card and information for your bag. You'll also receive another envelope, which will have your return information, like if you wanted to return your online order. I did purchase this online through the Prada website, but I will definitely not be planning on returning this purchase, especially because of how hard it was to get. So still good to have, but I will not be needing it. Inside of the box, I received the Prada shopping bag, which is iconic, with the Prada logo, as well as the Prada ribbon right there, which was tied in a nice little bow, which I will not be untying at all because it's so pretty and I love the way it looks. And I love that this literally did come direct from Italy. It makes it all the more special. So definitely a big fan of that. And without further ado, here is the dust bag, which is by far one of the most soft dust bags I've ever felt. I felt Gucci, I felt Louis and Chanel, and I have to say this might be my favorite so far, but that could change, so we'll see. But I love it, and it has the little Prada logo again there, which is really beautiful. And it's in this nice white color with the drawstrings on both sides. Oh my god, I'm so excited, guys. Oh, and here she is. This is my Prada Re-Edition 2000 bag, and it also did come with stuffing, but it's in the shopping bag, so I figured you guys weren't really needing to see that. But here she is. She is stunning and gorgeous in all of her glory. This is officially giving me early 2000s vibes, hence the name, the Re-Edition 2000. It's giving me all the Paris Hilton vibes, you know, early 2000s fashion. And honestly, that's why I'm so obsessed with this bag, because I love the early 2000s in general in terms of fashion, everything like that. It was so iconic, especially with the velour tracksuits. I mean, come on. even with this little bag, like this would make the cutest little outfit, like right on the crook of your arm or over your shoulder. However you want to wear it, you do have the flexibility to be able to do that. And then this is the official Prada tag on here, so once you cut this off, you cannot return the item. So I just kept it on there, you know, just so I can have it, you know, before this unboxing. I wanted to keep it on before I inspect and make sure everything is perfect. But as far as I saw so far, this bag does look very, very amazing considering it just came from the warehouse. As you can see here, it does have that nice fabric handle, which is super soft and plush and comfortable to wear, which is really, really great. Especially for a shoulder bag, you want it to be very snug and comfortable. And as you can see, it sits like right under my arm. So very close, not too big of a strap drop, but I actually like that, especially because it is a mini bag. I feel like it definitely gives me all of those early 2000s vibes. Because this style and this shape was so in the early 2000s. So I absolutely love that. Then you see the little Prada tag here as well, which says Prada Re-Edition 2000 in the silver writing. And this is actually all leather, this little tag right here. And I believe this can come off the bag if you do want to take it off, but I personally really like it. I think it's super cute. Maybe I'll take it off at some point, but I like the way it looks right now. And then as you can see, it has the little Prada logo triangle right here, and this is in the beige color. It also comes in, I've seen a blue color, I've seen black, white, and pink, and I was tempted to get the pink, but I was like, you know what? Pink is not going to go with everything in my wardrobe. This color is way more neutral. It is definitely going to go with way more in my wardrobe and have way more versatility. And I thought this would be the perfect kind of going out bag for the spring and summer, especially in this beige color. So I was really sold on this gorgeous, gorgeous color and tone. And as you can see, the bag is made out of this nice nylon cushiony material, which is super great. Love the way it looks. And it does have a leather pull tab here at the top for the zipper. And on the inside, you can see it has like that nice kind of silky lining, but it has the Prada logo throughout. It's kind of hard to see, but it does have the little Prada tag right in there as well. And then you also have the Prada logo all within the inside of the bag. And even though it is a small bag, it definitely will fit all of your essentials or fit a decent amount of items in here for sure. Like I can already see, you know, a majority of my daily essentials, if not all my daily essentials fitting in here, which is really great. Again, I think this is a perfect bag for if you're going out, you know, you're going to get some drinks or things like that. I know with everything going on, it's been very hard to do that, but I think in our future, this summer, springtime, you know, things will get better, especially with the vaccine coming out. So I am so excited to get so much use out of this bag. I think it's perfect for going out for drinks, going out with your girlfriends. Sorry, I lost my voice there. I've been talking a lot, trying to refilm this, but I am so excited, and I'm so happy that I have this bag in my collection. I think she's iconic. I think she's adorable, and I don't have anything like this bag, really, quite honestly. Like, my Gucci bag is so different. It's a different type of nude color. It's like a dusty rose nude, whereas this one is like a beige, you know, like a real, true beige color. So I absolutely love that. And it also does have the silver hardware, which is really nice. Most of my bags do have gold hardware, so it's nice to kind of switch it up and make it a little bit more casual with the silver. So I'm super excited to have it in my collection. And as I said, it was a really hard to obtain bag when I placed the order online. You know, hopefully they restock it at some point so you guys can get this bag as well, or you can check the resale market. I'm sure we'll have this bag as well, and it may be still available in other colors online on the Prada website. I'm not 100% certain just because I honestly haven't checked the website since buying this bag, but it definitely was, like I said, a process in order to get it. So I'm super happy, super grateful, and thankful that I will be adding this beauty to my collection. If you guys have any other questions, or you want to see a what's in my bag or a review, wear and tear, you know, like later on down the road when I use it, let me know in the comments down below. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you are interested in seeing more of my upcoming exciting content, then please make sure to subscribe. I hope you have a fabulous rest of your day or night whenever you're watching it. And don't forget, if you want to see more frequent content, make sure to follow me on Instagram at Louie and Bougie. I hope you have a good one, guys.